now. So my name is Leonardo. I came to Dr. Penhaskashi because I had two problems. I had a deep cleaning that needed to be done on my teeth, and then also I needed a gum graft. The experience for the deep cleaning was a little bit nerve-wracking. It was somewhat painful, but the gum graft compared to the deep cleaning wasn't that bad. I'm very happy with the results of the gum graft. Before I came to Dr. Penhaskashi's office, I definitely saw that my gums were extremely receding. And I came here and we did the gum graft, and the recovery period was about 2 weeks. It was a little bit uncomfortable, especially because you're limited on what you can eat and you have to watch what you eat. But after the 2 weeks, it started feeling normal again, and now it's been quite a while, and I'm very, very happy with the results.
I'm so glad you feel this way. You're comfortable for me to share this with patients?
Yes.
We put it on YouTube, link to our website, so they can see your experience, and the outcome is great. So your recession is completely gone, and it's fantastic.